emergency for the Warren area, including the cities of Kendall, Coral Gables, and Miami. Extensive to catastrophic damage is expected in the warning area. Residents must seek shelter now in order to protect their lives. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for central Miami-Dade County in South Florida until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Homestead, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the warning area, including the Miami metropolitan area. Catastrophic damage is likely in the warning area. Residents in the emergency area must seek shelter now in order to protect their lives. Emergency services in Miami-Dade County should prepare for a massive search and rescue operation that will last several hours, especially in Miami. Hazard: deadly tornado. Radar has confirmed a violent tornado ongoing racing towards Miami. Radar estimates, given the strength of rotation and how high debris is being thrown, that a violent tornado with winds ranging from 175 to 190 miles per hour is ongoing. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Entire neighborhoods will suffer massive damage. Roads will be impassable due to large chunks of debris blocking them. Locations impacted include Kendall, Coral Gables, and Miami. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, violent, and deadly tornado is on the ground. Anyone in the warning area, regardless of your location, needs to seek shelter now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Anyone in mobile homes must leave immediately to seek a more substantial shelter. Given that this tornado is rain-wrapped, along with it being nighttime, it will be very difficult to see this tornado before it hits you. Do not wait to see or hear this tornado before seeking shelter. Seek shelter now.